Good morning, dear children. Are you ready for today's class? I hope you all are ready with your maths book for today's class. Students, are you completing your notes? Okay, in each PDF, I am mentioning whether you have to do in your book or in your maths copy. So kindly notice that and do according to that. Okay, and complete your notes. Now get ready with your maths book for today's class. Kindly open page number 9. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 3, large numbers. Okay, so kindly open page number 9 and pay attention. I am going to read. We come across large numbers every day. Okay, as you might read, the population of a town has, yes, some numbers are given there. Okay, how do we say this number in words? As you can see, 4, 5, 8, 3, 9, 2, some numbers are given there. And how do we say these numbers in words? Okay, so today we are going to see that only in our today's chapter, how to spell in words. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, students, this you have to keep it in mind. This I am underlining here, see. Okay. 9999 plus 1. So 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Okay, this all you have to study and keep it in mind. Okay, smallest 5-digit number, greatest 5-digit number, smallest 6-digit number, greatest 6-digit number, smallest 7-digit number, the greatest 7-digit number. It's all given there. So this you have to read and you have to keep it in mind. Okay. Here comes 1 lakh, 10 lakh and 1 crore. Okay, as it was 10,000, then from 10,000 it moves to 1 lakh, from 1 lakh to 10 lakh and from 10 lakh to 1 crore. Okay, so today we are going to study this large numbers only. Now here comes numbers in expanded form. Okay, as you can see here, students, some examples are given there. Here 4 digits are there, that means 4 place value, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now here 5 place values are given, 5 digits are given there. That means how many place value? 5 place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay. See here, place value chart is given there. A place value chart shows the ones, tens, thousands, etc. in a number. It is divided into a number of periods. The ones period has 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. All other periods have 2 places. Okay. The number 4, here as you can see, 4 crore 53 lakh 21,987. Okay. This is shown in the place value chart. As you can see here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay. As I told, 4 crore 53 lakh 21,987. Okay, so ones period is ones, tens and 100, thousands period is 1,000 and 10,000, and lakhs period is lakh and 10 lakh, and crores period is crore and 10 crore. Okay, here we are having the digit still crore. Okay, so this you have to keep it in mind in place value chart. Okay, in ones period, ones, tens and 100. And in thousands period, thousands and 10,000, and in lakhs period, lakh and 10 lakh, and in crores period, crore and 10 crore. Okay. Now here comes the short form. Okay. Now here the number is expanded and you have to find out the digit, or you have to find out the short form. Okay. Now as you can see here, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. That means 10,000. So 4 digits should be there. Okay. 10,000, that means 4 digits should be there. So let's do the first one. See here. 42, 692. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. B. ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, that means here 6 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 lakh 53,175. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Now here comes one more. Now see here. Ones, tens, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, that means 36 lakh 28,421. Okay, so let's write down 36 lakh 28,421. Okay, 36 lakh 28,421. So in this way you have to take down the short form. Now here comes the expanded form. Now here the number is written. Now you have to expand the given number. Okay, so let us see how many digits are there first. Let's do the first one. Okay, first one is 67,452. Okay, now let us find out how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. That means how many place values? 5 place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, now let us expand. 10,000, that means 60,000. So 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. Okay, so in this way you have to expand. Let's do one more. 7, 8, 4, 2, 9, 5. See how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 digits are there. So let us find out the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, here comes the lakh. Now we have to start from the lakh. So let us expand the number. Now 7 lakh. Students, how many zeros are there in a lakh? 5 zeros. Okay, so 7 lakh. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now 84,000. That means 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 5. Okay, so in this way you have to do this one. Now here it's written in number names is written. You have to find out the figure. Students, you have to learn the number names with proper spelling. Okay, so here number names are given there. You have to find out the figure. Here also same, the number names are given there. You have to find out the figure. Okay, 37,458. So 37,458. Let's do the question number 3. Okay, now it's given there 50,627. Okay, 50,000. Now 50,627. So here is the number. Number names are given. You have to find out the figure. Okay, now here comes the next one. 37,458. 37,458. Here it comes the figure. Next is 93,200. 93,200. Okay, so in this way you have to find out the figure for the given number names. Here you have to write down in words. Okay, rewrite the numbers with commas separating the periods. This we have studied here, this place value chart. Okay, in ones period, ones, tens and 100. Then in hundreds period, thousands period, thousands and 10,000. And in lakhs period, lakh and 10 lakh. And in crores period, crore. So this you have to separate with the common with the comma. Okay. Now here comes the consecutive numbers. Now consecutive numbers means you have to count forward from the given number. Okay, 63,255, 55, then 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. You have to count forward. Okay, predecessor and the successor. Now here comes the predecessor and the successor. Now predecessor. Okay, number before. Now to get the predecessor number, what you have to do, you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, let's do the first one. 72,686. Now you have to find out the predecessor. Now what you will do, to get the predecessor, you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, so 1 from 6, it's 5, 8, 6, 2, 7. So this is your number. Okay, in this way you have to do the predecessor. Let's do one more. 1,87,530. Okay, now to get this predecessor, what you have to do, you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Now 1 from 0, no, we have to borrow from the side number. Now if you will take 1 from 3, what will be remaining there? 2, and this will be 10. So 1 from 10, it's 9, 2, 5, 8, 7 and 1. So 1,87,529 is the number. Okay, so in this way you will get the predecessor. Now here comes the successor. Okay, the number after. Let's take 32,782. Now you have to find out the successor. Now to get the successor, what you have to do, you have to add 1 to the given number. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3, 8, 7, 32. Okay, so this is your successor. This is your successor. Let's do one more. 4,56,875. Now to get the successor, what you have to do, you have to add 1 to the given number. So 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5 and 4. So 4,56,876 is the number. Okay, so in this way you have to do your successor and predecessor. To get the predecessor, what you have to do, you have to subtract 1 from the given number, and to get the successor, what you have to do, you have to add 1 to the given number and you will get the successor. Okay, the number before and after. For same process you can apply here also. Before, to get before number, subtract 1 from the given number, and to get the after number, just add 1 to the given number, you will get the after number. Between number. Now here comes the pattern. Okay, let's see the pattern. Okay, question number 12. 31,502, 31,602, 31,702. Okay, now student, just observe the given pattern. 31, 31, 31. That means 31 is common. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 0, 0. That means 0. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now same 31, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 2. So in this way you have to find out the pattern and you have to continue the pattern. Okay. Now 63,260. Okay, now let's do this one. Let's find out the pattern. It's 63,260, 63,300, then 63,340. Okay, now here 63, 63, 63 is common. Okay, now 2, 2, 3 and 3. Okay, now 260 plus 300, that means here plus 40, then we are getting the next number. If you add 260 plus 40, 300, 300 plus 40, 340, 340 plus 40, it's 380. Okay, now 380 plus 40, it's 420. So this is the pattern. Here plus 40 is going on. Okay, plus 40 and plus 40. In this way you have to find out the pattern and you have to continue the pattern. Now here comes the place value of the digits. Okay, now here digits are given there. We have to find out the place value. Okay. See here. 5. 5 is in ones place, that means 5. 3 is in tens place, that means 3 10, 30. 8 is in 100 place, so 800. 7 is in thousands place, 7,000. And 2 is in 10,000s place, that means 20,000. Okay, so in this way you have to find out the place value digits. Let's do 53,872. Okay, now 5 is given there. Okay, now ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, that's means 50,000. Next is 3, that is 3,000. Next is 8 is in hundreds place, that means 800. 7 is in tens place, that means 70. 2 is in ones place, that means 2. Okay, so in this way you have to find the place value of the given digits. 6,48,051. Okay, first is 1. 1 is in ones place, that means 1. Next is 5. 5 is in tens place, that means 5, 10, 50. Okay. 0 is in hundreds place, so 0, 3 times 100. Then 8 is in thousands place, that means 8,000. Okay. 4 is in, 4 is not given, let's find out. 4 is in 10,000s place, that means 40,000. Okay, then comes 6. Okay, 6 is in lakhs place, so 6 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way you have to find out the place value of the given digits. Okay, here you have to fill in the blanks with the given numbers and find out their place values. Okay, as you can see, 3 is in thousands place, 3,000, and 1 is in 10,000s place, so 10,000. Small and greater sign, smallest number and the largest number. Okay, ascending and descending order. Okay, now here you have to arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. Equal sign, let's see. Let's see the first one. 45, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 5, 8, 8. Okay, now let us find out which is the greater number here. Both the sides equal digits are there, 5 digits are there. Now let's compare with the place values. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. The numbers in 10,000 place, here is 4 and here is 8. Now out of 4 and 8, which is the bigger number? 8. So this is the greatest number. Okay. Next is B, 1,27,632 and 29,999. Now here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 place values. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 place values. That means this digit is smaller than the given digits here this side. Here 10,000 place value and here till lakh. Ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. That means this is the bigger number. Now here we have to find out the smallest number and the largest number. Okay. Now ascending and descending order. Ascending from small to big and descending from big to small. Make the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits. Okay, now here some digits are given there. Here it's given 3, 1, 7, 5 and 9. Okay, now here we have to make the greatest number and the smallest number. Okay. Now, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, out of this 5 digit, which is the greatest number? 3, 1, 7, 5, 9. Which is the greatest number? It's 9. So, put 9 first. After 9, it's 7. After 7, it's 5, then 3 and 1. So, this is your greatest number. Now, same for smallest. Out of this given digit, which is the smallest number? 1. After 1, 3. After 3, it's 5. Then 7. Then 9. So, this is your smallest number. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's do one more. 6, 8, 2, 0, 4. Okay. Now, out of this given number, which is the greatest number here? 8. So, put 8 first. After 8, it's 6. After 6, 4. Then 2. Then 0. Okay. So, this is your greatest number. Now, to make the smallest number, what we have to do? We have to pick the smallest number out of this given number. So, it's 0. But we cannot start a number with 0. Okay. So, just after 0, which is the smallest number? A number cannot be started with 0. Okay, students, always remember that. So, just after 0, which is the smallest number here? 2. So, take 2 and put the 0 after this second smallest number. So, 0, then 4, then 6, then 8. So, this is your smallest number. Okay. Let's do one more. It's 5, 8, 7, 9, 3, 2. Okay. Now, out of these numbers, which is the greatest number? It's 9. After 9, 8, then 7, then 5, then 3 and 2. For the smallest, which is the smallest here? 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, 8 and 9. So, in this way, you have to do the greatest and the smallest number. Okay. So, students, this notes I will provide. Carefully note it down in your maths book. Okay. This ascending and descending order, this all is your homework. This all you have to complete. Okay. Carefully note down the notes and learn the number names with proper spelling, place value chart. Okay. That's all for today's class. Thank you.